Hi, I'm Ted Brown, founder and creator of Birkbinder & Brown and the Tool Watch. I set out to make a watch that was rugged, functional, and beautiful, and I think we've achieved that. Approaching our 400th watch, represented in 16 countries, we've worked to improve the watch in a number of small ways so it performs as well as it looks on your wrist. We've developed a proprietary crown. We've changed the bronze alloy to a 903 bronze. We've done things like coming up with a very robust stainless steel movement holder. Our straps are made with Horween leather, hand-stitched in the US, and we've listened to our customers that wanted an option for a bronze buckle or a bronze deployment clasp. And right now we're undertaking a major initiative to make our own dials in decorative exposed metal. The Tool Watch is made one at a time. Over 50% of the parts are made in the US, most sourced domestically right here in the Midwest. Our cases are made in Wisconsin, just over the border. If you're looking for a watch for your next adventure just around town, give me a call and let's discuss what we can build for you.